How to sign into my YouTube TV account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So if you already have the application on your TV or on your device, just simply open it up and simply sign into your account using the option of sign in on that particular page, and this way you would be able to do it. But in case if the application doesn't have this particular option, then you can also go on the browser and search for YouTube TV, then open it up, and this way you would be able to see the option of sign in. Just simply click on it instead of clicking on this option of try it for free. Just simply click on sign in. Now after that, you have to select the email address that you used while signing up earlier, and in case if you don't know which email you used, just simply go to your Google account or Gmail application and use your different email addresses to sign in. After that, in the search bar, search for YouTube TV, and this way if the message appears of the registration on your email address in that particular email address, then that is the email address that you should use while signing up again. And this way just sign up using that particular credentials of your Gmail address and password. After that, you will be able to log in, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.